Have you noticed air travel just keeps getting weirder? One minute it's free Wi-Fi. The next, you're getting charged to pick your seat. In this video, I'm exposing 10 sneaky airline changes that most travelers have no idea are even happening. But they affect you every time you fly. And I'm not just ranting. I've flown 20+ times this year alone, and I've tested every single one of these tips myself. So grab your boarding pass and stow that tray. Because once you know these tricks, you'll never fly the same way again. Let's talk seat selection, or as I like to call it, the new hidden airline scam. Remember when picking your seat online was free? Yeah, those days flew off into the sunset, right alongside free meals and extra legroom. Airlines like United and Air Canada figured us out. Now in basic economy, they auto-assign your seat whether you like it or not. Want to move? That'll cost you. Here's the wild part. Some believe airlines give the worst seats to early check-ins on purpose, just to push people into upgrades. It's created a weird game of travel roulette I call check-in chicken. Some travelers are now checking in last minute just to dodge a middle seat. Risky? Oh yeah. Could it backfire hard? 100%. Let's talk about something most people never expect, until it happens to them. In-flight theft. Sounds like a movie plot, right? But this actually happens, and way more often than you'd think, especially on long-haul overnight flights. Lights off, passengers asleep, and thieves waiting for their moment. So how do you protect yourself from a high-altitude heist? Just a few smart moves can make all the difference. Rule number 1, never, and I mean never, stash valuables in the seat back pocket. Keep your passport, phone, and wallet in your personal bag, and keep that bag on you or under the seat in front. Bonus tip, use mini carabiners to clip your zippers shut. Makes it way harder for sneaky hands. It's simple, smart, and gives you that extra peace of mind while you nap. Remember when planes had space to stretch out and breathe? Yeah, me neither. Today's flights, packed tighter than a clown car on discount day. Fewer flights, fewer planes, and every seat booked solid. Demand is through the roof. Overhead bins, full in minutes. Lavatory line, feels like Black Friday at Walmart. If you want to survive it, you've got to think like a chess master. Bin space isn't guaranteed. It's every traveler for themselves. Once you're on the plane, move fast. If your rose bins are stuffed, don't stop. Stash your bag further up. Trust me, you'd rather walk forward at landing than fight your way backward through a crowd. Pro tip, set an alarm 2 hours before landing so you're not stuck in the aisle when the seatbelt sign dings back on. Let's talk about one of the most frustrating parts of flying, staying connected at 30,000 feet. The good news? More airlines now offer free messaging, so you're not totally cut off mid-air. Whether you're texting on WhatsApp, iMessage, or Messenger. Chances are, your airline lets you keep those chats going, at least while messaging. But if you're hoping to scroll TikTok or stream Netflix, yeah, that's gonna hit your wallet. Now JetBlue deserves some props. They're leading the pack with free high-speed Wi-Fi for everyone on board. And check this out, Alaska and United are teaming up with Elon Musk's Starlink to bring legit high-speed internet to the sky. Imagine binging your favorite shows mid-flight, without the dreaded buffer wheel, or listening to music that actually sounds good instead of a muffled mess. You can't pay like you used to. This one catches even frequent flyers off guard. You're 40 minutes into the flight, stomach's growling, and you're eyeing the snack cart. You reach for your credit card, ready to grab that overpriced sandwich. But nope, not so fast. More and more airlines are going app only. Meaning no app, no snacks. Forget tapping your phone or swiping your card. That won't work anymore. You've got to download the airline's app, create an account, and load in your payment before you board. Ask me how I found out. Yep, mid-air, mid-hunger. So here's the move. Download the app before you even leave for the airport. Set up your account. Add a card. Then you'll actually get your snacks, instead of watching them roll by like a lost dream. Let's talk about how flying has basically turned into a dollar store at 30,000 feet. Remember when airlines gave you stuff, like actual comfort items for free? Blankets, pillows, those cheap headphones you always left in the seat back pocket. It wasn't luxury, but it helped. Now, that stuff's vanished like your luggage during a layover in Chicago. Today's airlines are flying vending machines, and every little thing costs extra. Cold on the plane? That blanket's gonna cost you $10. Need a pillow? That's another $5. Even headphones, your one escape from crying babies, aren't free anymore. Pro tip, if you're planning to eat on the flight, pre-order your meal. It's usually cheaper, and you won't get stuck with the last sad, soggy cheese plate. Sure, Wi-Fi in the sky is finally improving, but charging your phone, that's a whole other struggle. You're halfway over the Atlantic, and your battery hits 1%, the dreaded red icon of doom. You scramble for the outlet, and bam, it's USB-A. Meanwhile, your phone only takes USB-C. Here's the fix. Always, and I mean always, bring a USB-C adapter. Want bonus points? Check your aircraft type before your flight. Some don't even have outlets. That way you're not caught off guard, and your phone actually survives the flight. Let's talk about something we've all felt. Seat comfort on planes is basically dead. Or maybe I should say, the shrinking seat in the ever-shrinking cabin. Remember when reclining your seat didn't feel like a war with the person behind you? Yeah, those days are fading faster than free snacks in economy. Some airlines have ditched recline completely, locking you into upright mode for hours. And seat pitch? Don't even get me started. Those glorious 34 inches of legroom? Now it's more like 28-30, if you're lucky. So here's the move. Before you book, check Google Flights and do a quick recon. They'll show seat pitch and width, so you can at least mentally prep for the squeeze. Let's talk carry-ons. Once your best travel buddy, now a major source of stress. Remember breezing through the gate with your carry-on and a second bag like a boss? Yeah, those days are gone, buried with free snacks and legroom. Now, airlines are stricter than TSA when it comes to your overhead bin dreams, especially in basic economy. It's personal item only or bust. They often come with the dreaded personal item only restriction. No suitcase, no duffel, just one sad little bag that fits under the seat. So, what's the move if you're flying light? Well, you've got to make that one personal item count. Personally, I swear by a clamshell underseat bag fits more than you think. It saves you time, money, and the headache of checked bag roulette. Here's one most people don't see coming. Airline dress codes are real, and they're being enforced. Yep, what you wear on the plane could get you booted before takeoff. No more rolling up in pajamas or slides and expecting a smooth boarding pass scan. These days, you need to at least look like you're not headed straight back to bed. Airlines like American and United have added policies that let them deny boarding for inappropriate attire. Even going barefoot can get you grounded. No need for a three-piece suit. Just don't dress like you're crashing on a friend's couch. Bottom line, airlines make the rules, and yes, dress codes are one of them. And there you have it. The 10 sneakiest airline changes you needed to know before your next flight. Now you're officially flight-proof, ready to dodge fees, fly smarter, and travel like a pro. So hit that subscribe button, because next time we're uncovering even more travel hacks to help you fly further for less.